Hello, Jonathan, and welcome to this video. My name is Viviana Olaya, and today I want to share with you some information that you can actually use to increase the traffic to your website, attract more customers, and grow your company. So let's start with your homepage. Then I will be covering the Google Business Profile and then backlinks. Let's start with your homepage. Right now, the amount of content that you have is around 300 words, but more than that, you could actually think at updating your homepage because so that you can compete with your competitors in the digital space. I can see that, for example, your security certificate is expired, and that's something very important for Google because Google wants to show its users the most not only relevant but also safe resources to navigate in. So that's something that you want to look into. Now, if I look at your front page, you have here the different back pages, but you could actually think about having the header with a click to call button at the top, then these links at the top. Then you could have a footer over here with links to your social media accounts. You could have the website directory, and then pictures throughout the website, very nice visuals with content describing the different services that you provide. And it's because through content, you are able to push through more relevant value intent keywords. So basically the way people search in Google so that Google can find you for those keywords and can start seeing your website as a relevant result according to the searches that people are performing in Google. Let's have a look at your competitor, one of your competitors, so Brightview. These guys, this is a landing page for Anaheim, California only. And this is what I was referring to. They have the click to call button over here. They have the different back pages. They have lots of location pages. They have around 578 words. They have the different services that they provide, so maintenance, water, tree care, landscape, and also the footer with all of the area that they covered. Um, so to be optimized for Google, you want to be between 1,500 and 2,000 words. So definitely an opportunity for you there to explore is just to throw in more value intent keywords, more relevant content so that Google can find you for that. I came here to the Google search and I type in landscape in Anaheim, California, and Google always shows us three sections. So the first one is the Google Ads. Google Ads are really good at driving traffic, but they can be very expensive if they're not done correctly and are really good at generating leads immediately. Now, the second section of Google is the Google Organic, the Google Map Pack. And here, this section alone is driving between 30 to 40% of the traffic. And to rank here, you need optimize and geotag pictures. You need reviews. Google wants to see that you're interacting with your customers. And you also need citations. So basically to be listed on directories such as Yellow Pages, Yelp, all of those, and the name, address, and phone number in those directories, need to match those in your Google Business Profile so that Google can verify those details, and then you can grab one of these top 3 positions. And the third section is what is known as the Google Organic Search. And to rank in this section, you need first a website, because the website is the foundation. So a website that is safe, that is responsive, and that has the right content. And then you need something that we call backlinks. And to analyze that, we use a tool called Ahrefs. Right now, I am looking at your website, and I can see that there's only one external website directing traffic towards your website through one backlink. And if I have a look at Brightview, these guys have 3 external websites directing traffic through 227 backlinks only to the Anaheim CA landscaping location page. But see, this rating here is because this website is massive and has lots of location pages. So they have a backlink profile for each of these location pages that they have. So it means that that's another opportunity when, if you think about building your website, is that you need to signal to Google that you're an authority in those particular topics. And the mechanism to do it is through backlinks. And a backlink is nothing else than a link in another website, referencing your website. So that's in terms of backlinks. Now, in terms of organic keywords, you are not being found for any organic keyword. If I have a look at Brightview, these guys are being found for 10 organic keywords, only for Anaheim. Let me repeat that because that's really important. And if I come here to this view, I have here the keywords. The search volume is the number of times someone is searching for this particular keyword. And the position is in which position this Brightview So that website is appearing in the Google organic search for that particular keyword. So I can see here that Landscape Anaheim CA has a search volume of 1,400 searches per month. So 1,400 people searching for Landscape Anaheim CA every month. And because they're on the second position, they were able to drive only for that particular keyword 240 visits. The landscape in Anaheim, they were able to drive 205 visits. Landscape in Anaheim, fifth position, and you see a grand difference, a big difference between the second and the fifth position. They were able to drive 113 visits. So imagine capturing a portion of the traffic of this search volume, because the way to do it is that you want to target these particular, for example, Anaheim, for Anaheim only, these particular keywords which have the high search volume associated to them. You want to have them in your content of your website, then throw backlinks that are powerful, so the ones that are sitting on websites that are relevant to the services that you provide, so that you can signal to Google that your website is an authority. And then a percentage of those potential customers are going to end up in your website, another percentage they're going to call you, and then another percentage you're going to be able to convert into customers. So that's what I wanted to share with you. Feel free to use this information to improve your website. Please don't forget to give me feedback. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.